Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2006 utility 48 by 102 aluminum combo spread axle air ride. Folks, it's a beautiful unit. 2006, clean beams. Underside has been all turbo blasted, primed and repainted. You can see everything's been recoated. Excellent condition. Kingpin plate is in excellent condition. As we come down the passenger side, you can see a toolbox, 30-incher, brand new tread on the tires, refurbed steel outer rim, spread axle. This unit has a universal mounting kit on it, brand new brakes and drums, air ride suspension. As we get to the back here, you can see the universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. We have plenty of Princetons and Moffetts in stock, available, ready to go. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. This unit has brand new straps on it, refurbed ratchets. Beautiful beams on this unit. Beautiful 2006 utility aluminum combo spread axle. Folks, this is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lift.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our trucks, our trailers, and our Moffetts and Princetons available for sale. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.